Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to work with images in the B12 editor. We'll cover generating new images, replacing existing ones, editing them, and making sure they look great on your site. Let's start by adjusting backgrounds. Every section on your site can have a background image. B12's AI agent can easily replace your background by just typing in your prompt. In the left sidebar of the editor, go to the AI Agent tab and type Replace my background image. Click the paperclip icon to upload your file. Select your image, then click Open. Click the up arrow or press Enter, then wait a few seconds. The change will happen automatically. You can also manually replace images with the editor. Click the Edit tab to switch to Manual Edit. Select the page and section you want to edit. Scroll to Background Media, then click Replace. Now you'll see three options. If you choose Library, click Upload Media to add a new file from your computer, or scroll through to pick an image you've already uploaded. If you choose Search, you can find free stock photos from Pexels. Just enter a keyword, then press Enter. Select your preferred image and click Continue. If you use AI Assist, type a short description, select Photo or Illustration, and pick a style. Click Generate and AI Assist will create the image for you. Your chosen style will be saved for future use. Don't like the first result? Click Generate More until you find the right match. The chosen image will appear on the right-hand side. Click Continue and your new background will be applied automatically. You can also remove it by clicking the X in the sidebar. For collection items like team members, services, or products, just click the item's image thumbnail. From here, you can replace it the same way by choosing from the Library, Search, or AI Assist. You can also crop, flip, rotate, or add filters without leaving the editor. Below the image, click Edit. From here, you can crop the image to your preferred size. You can also flip or rotate it to match your layout. Under Filters, you can adjust your image to give it a different look. When you're happy with the edits, click Save. You can also do additional edits and customizations to your section images. Go to the page that you want to edit. Click the section, then scroll in the left sidebar to access the background or image settings. Here you'll find controls for background effects such as opacity, contrast, scrolling behavior, and video display. Under Images, there are also options to adjust things like image shape, size, color, captions, masks, and overlays. For the best results, keep your files under 75 megabytes. Use formats like JPEG, PNG, WebP, GIF, or SVG. MP4 videos can be added too. Be sure to use high-quality media. Once you're happy with your updates, click Publish in the top right corner to make your changes live. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.